Hello everyone, so we are here today for a quick review. So this is Cellular scales, and it's not a 91 millimeters, it's 84 millimeters. So in thickness we have 15 millimeters, and it weighs 52 grams. It has 13 functions. I'll talk about the price at the end, of course. So and the number, the item number is 0.3803. If I'm not wrong, I put it anyway in the description as usual. So I see you in 10 seconds. So let's go. So we have, as I said, 13 functions. So we have the main blade, we have a file, nail cleaner, we have can opener, flathead screwdriver, larger flathead screwdriver, bottle opener, and wire bender. So for this side, it's exactly like a cadet, A-locks, and the Sportsman adds the corkscrew on this side. We also have the hole for straight pin. It adds also rimmer, and we have also tweezers, toothpick, and keyring. So that's it for the Sportsman. So it's a good knife, tiny one. You can put it in your pocket easily. So it's a great one. So this one is not brand new, has scratches, all that. The blade is not in good shape here, but I have to take care of that. But it's a really good knife, I think. For the price, it's about 23 euros for Victorinox. So it's about, I think, about $30, maybe less. But it's a good knife, I think. So that's it for the review. I think I said pretty much everything. As always, if you have any question about the knife or something else, you can put it in the comment section. You can say what you think about it. Of course, comment on anything. Like the video if you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Of course, there will be more and more reviews about knives like this, limited editions, special editions, discontinued models. And there is my Instagram account in the description too. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching, and see you the next time.
You stole my